fun.
And 7 birds come in, they gobbled hard this morning.
Hey guys, welcome back to Outdoors with the Common Man. Coyote here, Monster with us today. We're gonna go ahead and unbox these light and lethal HD decoys and the natural swimmer decoy. And I do believe this is a Rippler decoy. Yep, the Flutter Extreme. They're all from the Real Decoy company.
Yep.
Out of is it Alabama?
Tennessee, I think.
Tennessee?
Oh, we'll see here.
Anyways, we went ahead and they hooked us up. We're officially now, I do believe, pro staff members for this company. So we're going to go ahead and unbox these and check them all out. Oh, sorry. They're from Virginia. But for, I think it was $200, we got the Extreme Flutter, we got the Natural Swimmer, and we got 6 Light and Lethal HD decoys. These ones actually fold up. And I'm telling you guys right now, I mean, if I can find a, well, they come with the little straps on them for packaging. That's my pinky. Alright, not even, they're crazy light. So, Monster set this deal up, so I'm going to let him go ahead and do all the unboxing, get them all opened up and everything, and then we'll run through and what they say for instructions and shit like that for them. So, go ahead and tear it open, man. Treat it like a birthday present.
Yeah, sure.
There's the invoice. See if they send us anything special in the invoice.
And it's folding gear.
Yeah, that's what it just said. Hold them. Nope, just the invoice. You never know, gotta check. Here's your knife.
Oh, I got it in my pocket. You should open it like a present.
Since these are going to be the most common decoys, we'll save the fancy ones for last.
Most common?
Yeah, most common for the common man.
Yeah.
So,
They look pretty.
I mean, so far so good, guys. I'll bring one over closer to the camera. They look like they got great colors on them. Fully flocked heads.
Oh, look. And we got a thing to
Yep,
drain
so you
water.
can, no, so you can blow them up. So you can collapse them down and then blow them back up. See, they collapse right down, guys. And you can put the plug in.
I thought it was so that the ice and stuff pick off on me here.
Nope. So they're light and lethal and they fold them.
Yep.
So you can fold them. Then you just pop it back off again. And then you can just do that. Or blow them up. Put them back in. Good to go. I'll take the female and I'll bring them closer, guys. So there's the male mallard. Fully flocked heads, nice. Got great color on them, guys. And there's the female. Or the hen. The drake. The hen. The drake. The hen. Great color on them though, guys. They really do. They did a good job on them. The eyes look realistic. Beaks look good. And it's nice that these will actually fit right inside the pack with the rest of them. I'm sure the little bit of this flocks that got on it will actually come off the first time they get wet. But they look good. So they send you in this 6-pack. They send you
4 mallards.
4 drakes and 2 hens. Which is not bad. So there's those ones. Set them off to the side. Oh. Then you got the extreme, or the natural flutter extreme flocked head. Oh, see? I would have went ahead and bought AA batteries for these. It takes one D cell battery and it's good for 30 hours according to the box. And it says that it has tsunami wave technology that carries 50 plus feet. So when it quakes, it actually, the wake goes out for 50 plus feet.
Which makes your other ones look like they're moving around and stuff as well.
And then it's like, it's got a hatch on the back of it, kind of like Mojo's do. So
I'll show it all to you in just a second.
boxes look good. Everything came in without any damage or anything so far. Warning, waterfowler's fever. Waterfowler's fever. Very contagious to waterfowl hunters. This is cute. Symptoms. The disease affects rationality and the ability to concentrate. Fever usually manifests itself in the first few weeks of fall. In the early stages, the patient mumbles to him or herself, stares at the wall, and spends more time than usual in sporting goods stores. In the later phase, the patient calls his or her hunting buddies late at night, rehashes past hunting trips and plans opening weekend, which is still a month away, down to the smallest detail. During the final phase, the thought of waterfowl can alter a patient's entire day, sending his/her mind wandering down back roads and into distant duck blinds or goose pits. And it goes on, it has a whole bunch of funny stories, guys. The treatment, prognosis, the Surgeon General's warning. That's cute. And then it tells you to prevent the care for it, right there. And this says you have purchased the most lethal, most lifelike motion decoy. Then it goes on for more on there. It looks like they sent us a, it looks like they come with a nice little decal to throw in your car or in your shop or something like that, your gun case. And then, let's see. So it's got a pretty nifty little back hatch there. So it seems closes real tight. And then, yep, pops open real hard. And then down in here, I'll bring it closer so you guys can see, they have their motor. And then way down in there, I'll try to get this around, guys, is where you put the D-cell battery in it. Pretty nifty, and there's your on-off button for it. So once again, it's got a fully flocked head.
And that's right here's where you attach your weight.
Yep, attach your weight right there so it doesn't go out crazy on you. It's got a good paint job, nice detail. Even got the nice little curly Q for the Drake. I can't wait to try these out. We're going to try them out probably
That's the second half of duck season.
Second half of duck season, because it just ended yesterday here in northern New, or it ends today here in northern New York, and I'd rather be out muzzle loading at the moment. Now we're going to open up the Natural Swimmer, new and improved design. So we'll definitely have enough Drakes out there. Once again, they got the same thing, a sticker, and then the same funny little paper sheet there about the duck hunting fever and stuff like that. And I'm guessing the preventative care for it sheet.
Nice little. There's your sticker.
Now this is the one I was curious about, because this guy actually comes with a little jet propulsion engine underneath it to actually send it swimming around inside your duck spread. They even took special care. I'm just going to leave the bag on the head for right now. Same deal, guys. Comes with a little hatch. Get it open here. This one actually takes, by the looks of it, 2 D-cell batteries. Yep. Open the hatch up, guys. Takes 2 D-cell batteries down in there, which is Not that bad. I'd rather buy D's any day. Who doesn't like a pair of D's?
No. Are you sure it swims across the thing, or is it hooked here?
No, I'm guessing this is where you put your weight. You can put a weight.
Make it swim in a circle, like.
So it'll swim in a circle. But as you guys can see, it actually has a little boat motor thingy on the bottom of it, a little propulsion system. So once you turn it on, it'll pull it forward, and then when it hits the end of the weight line, it'll drag it around and come back and go the other way. All right, guys, this is going to add some of the most real-life motion in your duck spread. You can have all those jerk rigs and all that stuff like that. You're still having to sit there and pull on those jerk rigs or use your foot or something.
Or mechanical jerk rigs.
Yeah, mechanical ones that are still, that's more weight you're carrying out there. This guy, I wouldn't even say it weighs a half a pound. If I had a scale, I'd tell you, but I don't. But this guy, like I said, you're going to hook your sinker or your weight onto it, drop it in, turn it on, and it's going to go as far as your line will let it, and then it'll turn and come back. And, you know, obviously just make sure that you've got enough space for it that doesn't get caught up in the rest of your rigs. But this would probably go near the outsides or near the middle. Having a couple of them, which we hope to have, would be real nice, because then it's just drop in and have one over here, one over here, one over there. I'm not gonna lie, I could probably figure out a way to rig up a couple of the other ones that we got so it'll kind of drag them along, but I would actually spend, I think these are what, $80?
On their website, I think $80 on the website.
I think they're $80 on their website. I bought the package deal for $200, guys. If this is $80, this is another $60 to $80, and then those decoys I do believe are another $60 to $80. So right there, you're getting $300–400 worth of stuff for $200. I mean, you can't really beat that. Especially getting 2 motion decoys and then 6 decoys that are light as hell. Like the regular ones that we got, I got a book bag. It's heavy. You step in the mud with that stuff, you'll sink. These guys, they're nice and light. I can't believe how actual light they are, and I enjoy that fact. Obviously, when you go to throw some D-cell batteries in it, it's gonna add some weight to it. But
and you add your sinkers.
And your sinkers. But at the same rate, I can take that. I'm already doing it anyway, so what the hell's another 8 decoys? Especially when they're this light. I think that box of decoys right there might weigh as much as the two or three of the ones I already have in my pack, which is incredibly insane. If I had, hopefully these guys hook us up, and if I had enough of the cash flow, I'd go ahead and replace all the ones I got with these decoys. They're great. Alright guys, now that you've seen the unboxing, why don't we go ahead and see these guys in action.
It's raining.
Yeah, I can see it on the water. I said it was.
Wow.
I was like, hey, look, it's raining.
Well, in all, we had a good duck hunt today. The rippler works pretty good. You can see how it ripples out real good. It helped out with all the rest of our decoys and gave us some good motion in our flock. Right there's a bunch of ducks.
Yeah.
They wanted to come in here with us standing here. Oh, they're circling back right now.
They're circling back. Get you
They're
going.
cuffing, dude. Alright, as you can see, our decoy's done the trick today. And I'm gonna grab our swimmer. And we'll be packing up to go home. But as you can tell, the swimmer does its job. Acts like it's swimming constantly. It's on a constant go. Just it picks and chooses on which direction it wants to go. Makes nice, good round circles. Makes some good lifelike swimming in our decoy spread. So we're good to go. Thanks.
Alright guys, so now that you've seen the decoys in action, tell us what you think. If you like what you saw, don't forget to go to therealdecoy.com and get you guys your own set. It's cheap, affordable. I know duck hunting's an expensive sport, but once you get the setup, you guys will be set forever. So,
And they got a lot of deals going on right now.
yeah. bigger packages than what we got here. But alright guys, so thanks for joining us today on Outdoors with the Common Man. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Catch us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, obviously YouTube. Leave us your comments, guys. You see in any of the other comments, we're verbal. We get back to you as soon as we can. You guys leave us a message, we'll try to get back to you ASAP. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys go out and get yourself some. They'll make your duck setup a lot more than what it is right now. And thanks, Tim, for helping out today. And we're out of here. Catch you guys next time.
Don't forget to stop by Worthington's for all your firearms and ammunition needs. When you stop by, mention Outdoors with the Common Man and receive a 5% discount off in your order. Thank you.